everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. So welcome back again in this channel. If you are new in this channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So today I'm going to show you how to send the email alert using Flow Builder in Salesforce. Okay, so most of the people know these things, but if you don't know, so you can watch this video until end, but I will show you the advanced things in this video, so that's why I'm presenting this video here. Okay, so let's get started without any further delay. So first of all, let me log in into my org, and here let me log in into my org here, and once you logged in, then you have to create your flow. Okay, so my requirement is like I want to create one screen flow, and that screen contained like account name and email address. So based on the email, like once you fill this data, and after that you will automatically create this record into the Salesforce. After that I want to show this data into the display text or anything as you want, and then final I have another screen, that screen having one toggle button that is called do you want to send mail or not. So it's a toggle button, yes or no. So based on this condition, yes or no, if yes, then I will send you the mail, otherwise simple message like thank you for your time, something like that. So this is the agenda in this video. So how to implement this requirement? So here let me open my flow first of all, and here let's say I want to search this flow here, and once you search here you have to create new flow. Okay, so how to create the flow, you know very well. Just click on this new button, new flow button, and it's open me a new editor that is called Flow Builder here, and with the help of Flow Builder we can create our flow. So there are so many flows here, right? So let me explain first of all this one that is called screen flow, because right now we are using this screen flow, that's why I am choosing this template here. Let me change this layout, auto layout, to freeform for your better understanding. Okay, so here you can see the start button here, right? So let me drag and drop one screen under this canvas window, and this screen can contain, let's say, account record screen, something like that. Okay, and once you enter it, hit the done button, and under this screen I need two fields. One is like text, simple text. So let me drag this text here and label like account name, something like that. If you want to make it required, so you can make it required, otherwise leave it as it is. After that, so here you can see I just created one field here that is called account name here, right? And now it's time to do like another things, let's say website. So website is which type? It's a URL type, so we have to search under here that is called URL. So once you search URL, just drag and drop this one, and here you can see like API name, and then so let me change the API name, let's say website, and also label let me change, let's say website, same thing, right? Now once you change it, now you can see account name and website, right? So I need to save this one, this screen, and now once you save it, now you can see account record screen, and now we have to connect this one and save it if you want, right? And give the name like new account screen flow, something like that. So based on your need you can give the name, and always the good practices or best practice we can say that give the description for this flow or any flow as you have. So for now, for time being, I'm not putting any description here, but you will be do these things, it should be right. So just click on this save button, and once you save it, now let me check how it is look like. So here you can see run button, I just clicked on, and now you can see the output here. So this is a screen flow, and now we have two fields here, right? first is like account name and a website, right? So next thing is like I want to create this record. So how to create the record, you know very well. If you don't know, you can watch my flow playlist, and how to create the record you will be get the easy things, right? So let me create the record first of all. So here you can see under the data, create records. So just drag and drop this element here and give like create account record, right? And how many records to create at a time? I want to create only one at a time. And how to set the record fields? So I need to separate use resources and literal values, these options. And which object you want to work on, like account object, and which field you want to fetch here, this is the field mapping. And let me tell you here, name, I want to match this name with my account name, right? So merge field expression, you can see this merge field expression, account name. Now another field is let's say website. So how to find out website? Now you have to give your website as well, like website. So under the website, this is the standard field, and this fields having like this kind of values. So just click on this value. So I just created this create records here, and also mapping the fields. So our job is done here, right? Just like take the input from the user and create the record. This is the first requirement. After that, I want to show this data, where it is coming, or where we can find out this data. So you can find out this data under the Salesforce org, or you can display this data in the next screen as well. So I will show you first of all how it is look like here. Once you connect this one, and let me save it. And once you save it, let me check this flow is working fine or not. It's creating the record or not. So here you can see the screen, right? So let me create the record first of all. Let's say demo 1, right? And website, if you want to give any website name, so you can give, let's say https://www.google.com, something like that, and click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, it should be created a record under the Salesforce org. So how to check the record is created under the Salesforce or not? So let me check the account tab here first of all, and now you will be see the new record demo 1 here. So how to check the demo 1 is available here? So just here click on this all accounts, and here you can see the demo 1. Let me click on this demo 1 first of all, and here you can see like demo 1, this is account name and website www.google.com. just I created right now. But my requirement is something, let's say if you have something regarding this one, let me show you. Let's say here I just created this record, right? I want to show this data into the next screen. So how to show this data into the next screen? Again, you have to drag and drop new screen here, and it's showing like display data, display account data. Okay, or we can say that, let's say send confirmation message, right? So here you can see this one, and here under this screen, first of all let me show you the data, how to present it, right? So you have to select here like display text. So just drag and drop here and give the name, let's say message, something like that, message. And here let's say your account created successfully with the following details, something like that, right? So what is the detail? Let's say account name and then website. Okay, and how to print this account name? You can insert a resource from here and this is coming from like this one. This is the expression merge syntax, right? And website, same thing you can apply for the website value, and click on this done button. Now our displaying data is done right now. Let me check and let me test it. It is working fine according to my screen or not. Okay, so here just focus on that. So I have this field that is called name. Let me put another name, let's say Dell Technology, right? And website, let's say https://www.dell.com, something like that. Click on the next button, and you can see here, you can see the account name means Dell Technology, right? And website, you can see the website dell.com here. Okay, so our second stage is done, right? First stage is create the data, second stage is like displaying the data, and third stage is send the email based on the conditions. So how to send the email alert, I will show you in few seconds here, right? So our this data is done. So you can check under the Salesforce as well, this record is created or not. So you can see the Dell Technology. Okay, I just created here like that, Dell Technology. Now under this screen that is called displaying the data or send confirmation message, I need another button here. So this button should be like a toggle button based on your need, so you can do that, otherwise leave it as it is. So here you can see the toggle button and give the meaningful name, let's say send email, right? And label, you can change the label, let's say send email like this one. And active label, if this button is active, I want to show like, let's say yes, otherwise inactive, no, like that. Here you can see it's immediately change your button. Previously you can see like active or inactive, but right now I'm not displaying this active or inactive, I'm displaying this things that is called yes and no under toggle button, that's why. So just done it and save it, and let's see what's happened. So just run this flow here, and once you run this flow, now again you have to give any name as you want, let's say Google, and website if you want to give, let's say ://www.google.com, and click on the next button. And here you can see like send email, so it's having toggle button, you can see yes, no, yes, no, something like that, right? But how to send the email with the help of this button, right? And also I need to add one email fields here based on this condition. Let's say if you want to send the mail, then I want to show that fields here, otherwise not. So how to do that? Again you have to click on this screen. Under this screen you have to take like an email field, it's a email, so just drag and drop here, and let's say email, you can give this email here, right? And I want to show this field like this one, like I want to give this one like email field, I want to show only yes button. So how to do that? Under this email here you can see like set component visibility. Under here, let me do that one thing for you. Under here, let's say toggle button, I have a toggle button, just focus on that, right? This toggle button value should be yes, then I want to send the mail, or I want to show this field, otherwise not. So click on this done button, save it. Let's check this toggle button is working fine as we want. So just click on this run here, and here just give a ABC, something like that. Let's say https://www.abc.com, something like that. Once you click on the next button, now you cannot see any email field here. So based on this button, I want to show that email fields, and based on the email feed I want to send the email. That is the next step, right? So how to do that? So here you can see, like, once you click on this yes, now email field is visible, otherwise it not be visible once you send the email as a no. So you can not see any email fields here. So once you click on the yes and then fill the email address and click on the next button, then we will see the email alert, right? It's an email alert to send the email to particular email ID based on this field. So how to do that? Let me show you again here. So now under here you can see this screen. So based on this button that is called this toggle button, I want to send the mail. So first of all we have to add some logic under here. So how to add this decision box here? So now you can see the decision, new decision. So based on this decision I want to send the mail, otherwise not. So let's say email send email send based on condition, something like that, right? So here first outcome will be like yes, okay, and default outcome will be like as a no. Under yes I need to send like based on the email address. So I need to send this one toggle button. If toggle button contain the value as a yes, that time I want to show, and that time I want to send the mail, otherwise not, right? And also I need to add one more condition. Let's say email value is null, false. It should not be false, something like that, right? So just enter this one. So this condition should be matched, otherwise you will not get, or otherwise you will not get any kind of emails, right? So just click on this done button here, and now you can see the decision, right? Just connect this screen to this decision. Once you've done this one, now it's time to do what? Like email alert. So how to send the email alert? Let me show you here. So first of all, here you can see the action, right? So once you drag and drop this action here, so it's asking like different types of categories, right? So under here you can see like email, okay, you will be see the email here. And how to find out the email? So come down here, event, and then you can see the email. So here you can see like send email, right? So you can send the email. So before that, let me create one resource here, like new resource. I need text template for that one. So just click on this resource here. Under this resource we have like text template. Under this text template, let's say email template, something like that, right? And here let me change this rich to plain text, because I need to send simple text only. So let's say new account created, has been created successfully, has been created successfully. You can change this message based on your need. The details given below, right? So how to check this one? Let's say account name, like account name. So you can print account name, and website, you can print the website as well, right? So here like account name, you have to print this account name. So how to print the account name? You can see the account name, merge field syntax, and email, and not email, it's a website, sorry for that one. So let me remove this one and take the website. So here you can see the website URL and then value, right? So this is the email template or text template, we can say that. Just click on this done button. Now you can see email template, right? So the text template basically, but right now I'm taking as an email template here. So how to use like action here? If you want to send the email alert, so always use the action. So just drag and drop this action. Under here you can see like email, and under here you can send the email. This is a predefined features, so you have to select this one. Under here let's say send email action, something like that, right? And body, I already created one body, let's say email template. So you can see the text template, just I already created as a resource, so you can create based on your need. And subject, let's say new account created, right? Let's say this one. And here, don't use this collection right now because it's a different things. I want to use this separate one. So how to use that one? I need to send the email, that particular email template, right? That toggle button, that toggle as well, that email fields, right? So just you have to enter this one like email dot value, and then after that you have to click on this done button. So here you can see if decision box given as a output yes, that time I want to send the email, otherwise not. So you can see the yes, and in the case of no, I want to displaying some message. So how to show the message? Let's say no action, something like that, right? And here let me search like display text. Under this display text, let's say no action, something like that. So like thank you for your time, we will get back to you soon, something like that. You can give the meaningful message as you want, okay? Otherwise leave it as it is. So here now you can see this one, I need to be bold this one, so just go down and click on this B and click on this done button at the time of this one. So it's if yes, then I will send the email alert, otherwise displaying the simple message. This is the no condition, you can see the no condition, right? This one. So here you can see this one, right? Send the email and everything, right? And also just let me save it first of all, and once you save it, let me check this flow is working or not. So just click on this run button and let me check this is working or not. So let's say account name like Microsoft, and then https://www.microsoft.com, something like that, and click on the next button. And here you can see my information is coming here, right? If you want to send the mail, so just you have to select this one, otherwise leave it as it is, right? So just click on this button, and under here if you want to send the mail, let's say like deep@yopmail.com, okay? You can give the email address here, and now just click on the next button, and it's automatic created your record and also send the mail. So how to check that one? So first of all, you can see the account is created or not, account record is created or not, right? So how to check that one? You can see the Microsoft and this one. How to check the email? So let me log in into the Yopmail first of all, and just change this one as a deep, and you will be see here that is called new account created. This is the subject, you can see, and new account has been created successfully. The details are given below, and here you can select account name and the website, right? So this is the email alert, and you can check your email here, right? So this is the one way. And another way, like I don't want to send the mail, okay? In that case you cannot, or if you want to send the mail, so you can send based on your condition. So I already mentioned all the things. So this is the way to send the mail alert or email alert in the flows. So guys, I hope you learned something new in this video. If you feel like this is important for us, so you can subscribe, share, like and comments, okay? And till then, bye bye, take care, see ya.